All right, guys, I needed cookie cooling racks, and I also needed something to cook bacon on in the oven and it not be sitting in grease, or my bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. And so that is why I bought this set. Came in a nice sturdy box. It would be really easy to wrap if you were gifting this. These are heavy. I can't pick all this up with one hand. I'm not the strongest, but yeah, they're really heavy. So the reason I got this is for its versatility. And this is a great setup if you want to fix bacon in your oven. I would put foil under this to make it less mess. Or if you want to put something kind of that's greasy, that's going to drip grease on top of here, you got a grease catcher underneath. Or these also would just make really good cookie sheets. Like I said, these are heavy duty. And then you have a cooling rack because these have those little notches. Like, can you see them? So you have a cooling rack, or you have a rack for baking. I have a standard size oven, and you cannot get two of these. If you have a standard size, you can't really get two of those on one shelf. Just barely not gonna fit. They're pretty good sized pans. I'm super happy with the buy. This is something I think I would consider buying as a gift for someone. Like I said, it came in a real nice, easy to wrap box. Nice high quality material. If you would like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out.